Our project is Signodrone. Behind every engineering project, there will be a reason. As like that, behind our project, there is only one reason: to save the life. The problem is disaster. According to the World Health Organization, every year natural disaster kills around 90,000 people, and 160 million people are affected worldwide. The rescue team will provide food, water, and they will prevent even diseases and disabilities. But even though there is a gap between the rescue team and the affected people, that gap is nothing but communication. Yes, communication in natural disaster. The question remains, but is there an answer? Yeah, it is. Our main motto is to fill the gap between the rescue team and the people. Our idea to bridge the gap between the rescue people and the affected people is to enabling the communication between those two peoples with help of drones. So here comes our disaster recovery plan. So name of our innovation is Signodrone. Basically, Signodrone is like Signo is referred to the signal and drone is referred to the drones. We are combining the both idea of signal boosting and the Signodrones. That is called as Signodrone. So how it works? The main basic idea is the signal boosting circuits will boost the signal and drones is used to reach the affected area. So that's it. So the signal boosting circuit will be mounted on top of this drones, and drone will be operated by the control unit set up by us around the affected areas, and the drone will reach the affected areas and signal booster circuits will boost the signals. So here comes our working methodology. So basically what we'll do is, so to get the information from the meteorological department about the affected areas, and we'll reach the affected areas, and there is a zone called as D zone, that is nothing but a dead zone where you will get no signal. So there will be some signal around the D zone, but you cannot make a call or you cannot communicate in the D zone. That is called as D zone, dead zone. And our job is to reach the D zone and enable the D zone as signaled area. So the signal booster we are using has a range from 900 MHz to 2100 MHz, and this frequency is radio frequency, and the range of the radio frequency is 120 meter, and we have two types of drones. One is low area drones and one is high area drones. Low area drones is nothing but it can cover up to 600 meters and 54 meter altitude, and it can fly up to 20 minutes. This we can use in low affected areas, and we also have high drones, and it can cover up to 2 kilometers and 120 meter altitude, and it can fly up to 30 to 40 minutes. So we have a universal app called as SOS. SOS is nothing but Save Our Souls. So affected people should have the app and they can communicate easily with the help of app. How the app works? The app turns on the following things like Wi-Fi, internet and GPS. By enabling these three things, we can get the information of the user, that is the affected people, to the server. That is, we can reach there easily by turning on this Wi-Fi, GPS and internet. These are the known issues. What is the need of an app if there is no charge in the mobile? There should be some charge, right, to operate a mobile and to get the information. So for this issue, we have created a solution. In order to solve the solution, the reserved power storage technology should be incorporated in all the smartphones. So we are doing that. Reserve power storage technology. So what is it? Each and every mobile will have inbuilt coding reserve power storage technology. So your mobile will turn off after the storage is getting 0%, but there will be some charge inside the mobile, which so that you can switch on the mobile next time. So as like that, in our app there is an inbuilt coding which will turn off your mobile at the 15% charge, so that you can turn on the mobile during the affected times. So what is inside the app? So there will be like photos, videos and DIY like related to the disaster management, and you can help yourself. And we have a direct chat box to the rescue team so that they can help you directly through online. So, and like a guide map to rescue the camp by navigation with GPS, and by the single click operation you can turn on the Wi-Fi, GPS and internet. So this app will be a great app for every person in a disaster prone area. So statistical analysis. Through this we can get how many people are affected and how many people are rescued. So let us consider the population disaster zone as 5 and the number of people affected remained inside the house represented by pi, and number of people rescued is denoted by delta, and number of people died is denoted by theta, and alpha is denoted the number of people who have evacuated before the critical situation reaches its peak. So through this data, the pi, delta, theta and alpha, if we add all these things, we'll ultimately get the population disaster zone. So we can easily track the number of mobiles is approximately is equal to 5. So what are the advantages of the Signodrone? We can rescue up to 60 to 70% of the victims. We can tally their death rate, and it is a better and quick communication so that you can communication easily with the doctors via internet and Skype, and you can ask for food, sanitary, clothing and medical and even first aid via app, and we can find the missing people in the forest, and we can gather the people to the rescue camp with a single text. So these are the various advantages of our Signodrone, and we have created a very fine and very nice solution to the disaster management team.